Daily Current Affair, 1st August 2024. National News. New UNESCO World Heritage Sites added at New Delhi meeting. At the 46th session of the World Heritage Committee of UNESCO held in New Delhi from the 21st to 31st July 2024. 24th new sites were added the UNESCO World Heritage List. This marks the first time India has hosted the UNESCO World Heritage Committee. The session concluded on 30 July 2024 with Prime Minister Narendra Modi announcing $1 million in aid of the conservation project and capacity building initiative and developing the countries. State in news. Goa launches GM Vinamulya Beach Yaujan scheme. This scheme is held in Goa. Who is the Prime Minister is there? Pramod Sawant. He was launching a new scheme, GM Vinamulya Beach Yaujan scheme. Alerting it is the Prime Minister Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. India is aimed enhancing the solar rooftop and installation in Goa. Important days. World Breastfeeding Week 2024, 1st August to 7th August. World Breastfeeding Week is a global healthcare event celebrated annually from 1st August to 7th August. This week-long observe bring together international and local organizations to promote the importance of breastfeeding for both newborn babies and mothers also. Okay. Books and author. PM receive Parimal Natwani books on Gir and Asiatic lions. Rajya Sabha MP Parimal Natwani on 31st July presented the first ad copy of his new book Call of the Gir to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a small family get-together at the PM residence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appreciated the book Call for the Gir written by the Rajya Sabha member Parimal Natwani. Sports news. Swapnil Kusal secure bronze medal in 50 mil rifle, third position at Paris Olympic. 28 years on old Swapnil Kusal has secured India's third medal at the Paris Olympic. Summits and conference news. 32 International Conference of Agriculture Economic. India will host the 32 International Conference of Agriculture Economic in New Delhi from August 2nd to 7th August 2024, marking a 66 years hiatus since its last hosting in 1958. Take the place at the Pusa Institute and focus on transformation towards sustainable agriculture food systems. India hosts historic 46 World Heritage Committee meeting. For the first time, India proudly hosted 46th historic 46th World Heritage Committee meeting. For the first time, India proudly hosted the 46th session of the World Heritage Committee meeting 21st July to 31st July 2024, organized at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. National Mountain Climbing Day on 1st August 2024, celebrating adventure and achievement. This special day was established on commemorate and the accomplishment of Bobby Mathews and Joe Madigan, who successfully scaled all 46 peaks of the Adirondack Mountain in northeastern New York. World Rangers Day 2024, honoring nature guardians. World Rangers Day, observed annually on July 31st, is a global community dedicated to honoring the brave individuals who tirelessly work to protect wildlife and natural habitat. This is park rangers and conservation play crucial role in safeguarding and endangered species and fragile ecosystems. Summit Conference News 32 International Conference Agriculture Economic. India will host the 32 International Conference Agriculture Economic. India hosted the historic 46th World Heritage Committee meeting. Thank you, Nazreen. Please share and subscribe my channel, okay?